until 5 o'clock in the afternoon. And at 5 o'clock in the afternoon, you could hear it once.
Fantastic. This one is used for Christmas and Easter, the big holidays, and also for priest ordinations and funerals. So, yeah.
The Margareta clock and see how the clock is.
Yes. So, can I hold this for the next person? Oh, I. Thank you. Oh, what?
The tower, it seems so much bigger.
Yeah.
From when you look at it.
Yeah.
You remember the invisible elevator?
Yeah.
They brought everything they needed up there and then the stairs up here. And they made a smither, blacksmith, in there. With a fire, so it was warm up here as well.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
And the people working here, they lived here with their families. What a luxury. 1500.
So that's the mechanics of the clock. Oh, something is happening here.
Every 15 minutes.
So,
Here you can see actually, you can see
you have one here.
the clock that goes, we have two of them.
Ah,
One goes up and the other goes down.
yeah.
Yeah, so these are part of the clockwork.
This is
Goes
the one
up
that
and down. So this one, mind your,
I think they're called pulleys or something.
and these are kind of greasy, so make sure, because they go up and down.
yeah.
Part of the clock.
Yes. Now I can look at that. Okay, I guess this is something you've never seen like this.
We go outside as well, so.
Oh,
Yeah. See here you can see from the Danish clock those.
oh, these are
they
the
go
pulleys.
up and
Yeah.
down, yeah. And they're really greasy these, so don't touch
Don't touch
them.
them. Okay.
Not that one over there either.